Direct naman.
Cardi B? Ano na, Cardi B?
Opo.
Kamusta na, Cardi B?
Nag-write po ako ng song kagabi. May i-release ako.
Beauty Vault Glass Skin Essentials. Gandang Beauty Vault, gandang glass skin. Daddy Glow Coffee. Feel lighter, glow brighter. Urban Smiles Dental Clinic, where beautiful smiles are made. Eventista, leading worldwide platform optimizing revenue for entertainment, events, and artists. Fitness 8, where your fitness journey begins. Aquila Crystal Palace Tagaytay, experience romance in the air.
This is Reina's Up Close.
Watch out for Isabella Ortegran.
I have an unfinished business. Mas pasabog siya this year.
I'm a perfect mixture of sexy and cute.
I'm able and capable. Because I ate. Hindi lang basta actor, sexy actor.
I am that OA friend.
Oh my God! I'm beautiful in my own way. Grand. Beauty, brain, body, business.
Nakakaloka! Kaloka! I didn't come here not prepared.
I love challenges.
I am here.
One of my title is Miss Understood. Marami pa akong kayang ipakita.
I'm ready to prove them wrong.
I'm here to slay.
I am ready for this.
Iba na ang laban ko. So, abangan niyo lang ako.
Ito ang kwento ng Reina Filipinas. Raw, unfiltered, unmasked. Here's the tea.
At dahil dapat may talent sa
Oo, may talent.
sa MG, sa Reina. Anong
Reina.
talent mo, Cardi?
Cardi B, kakanta po ako. Kasi I'm Cardi B, so kakanta po ako ng,
Starships.
hindi, kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Rap version.
Kumusta naman Bakit ganun yung peg mo sa EME kahapon?
Actually, kasi, the story behind that is, natawa ako. Tampo kasi sa gilid, be. Anyways, yung eksena kasi ng costume ko doon, the gown, yung loob nun, was one of my reserve gown nung Miss Eco sana. Pero since nga, of course, there's so many things to consider before you compete. Of course, the location of the place, the culture and all. Diba, Egypt? So, medyo revealing siya for the location. At least, that's what I thought. So, hindi ko siya nasuot ng Egypt and I've always wanted to wear the gown. Tapos, sabi ko, nagjo-joke pa kami ng team. Sabi ko, baka mag-Miss Grand ako, susuotin ko to. Tapos, nag-join ako ng Reinas. Tapos, nung sinabi niyang may reveal, so sa isip ko, ano kayong magandang idagdag dito? So, yung naisip namin is, I'm someone who's very interested and fascinated talaga sa fashion. So, most of the
Kala
time,
ko kay Cardi B.
kay Cardi B. Also, kay Cardi B din. Minaj, Cardi B. So, I've been watching a lot of fashion shows, yung mga ganun-ganun. And yung fantasy ko talaga is to do Schiaparelli. Yun, I don't know if you saw that gold metallic kineso. So, sabi ko, I've been wanting to do that. Sabi ko, wala naman atang perfect opportunity for me to do it. Kasi sa Egypt, di ko siya magagawa kasi mahal lang cargo, wala akong perang ganun. So, nung
Malaki
sinabing,
ba yung costume?
malaki. So, isang maleta lang yun, ubos 20K na yun siya. So, buti naman Iloilo malapit lang. So, ano lang, 800 lang.
Walang extra baggage lang siya.
Baggage lang
Walang
siya.
pangbalik-bayan box na ano.
So, yun lang. I spoke, same designer. I spoke to Fritz and then we had a meeting about the whole look, about the whole peg. And I said, kaya ba? Like, ganito siyang vibe and all. And of course, the designer naman, he loves the challenge. So, he did what he could and sabi ko sana mag-give ko ng justice yung gown or the damit that you made. And I was very happy with my performance last night.
Pero yung ninang hair mo, tsaka ninang hair.
Kasi galing nga,
Kagabi, oo.
ngayon ba or kagabi?
Hindi,
Ngayon kasi
kagabi.
galing akong binyag.
Hindi pala kasal. Oh.
Binyag-ninang ako sabi mo eh.
Nagninang nagkasal, ibig sabihin.
Kagabi ako yung kinasal.
Okay. Paano yun? Why did it come up? Kasi first time kita nakita na gano'n.
Oo, actually, yung front nun, that was my real hair. Sinate lang. Tapos yung back, tinahi nila sa balat ko. Dinagdagan lang yun ng other extensions and other
Wala,
wigs. So, ayun. And then, of course, my hairstylist.
Yeah, pero I
Bongga.
mean, bakit?
That hair.
Bakit? Bakit?
Ayaw mo ba? Actually,
Cardi B nga yung
Cardi
name
B,
sa'yo.
oo.
Ang lamig ko, te. Ikaw.
lamig din.
Mm.
But anyways, the hair. Kasi feel ko, aside from the costume, we're thinking of what ba yung babagay sa costume and sa dance number na syempre para make it more feminine. Or hindi naman ganun. Parang sabi ko lang like, let's do something different. Softer.
Yeah.
Kasi syempre, it's also Reyna's and it's considering Miss Grand yung pageant. Di ba laging pasabog? So, ayokong isa lang yung look lagi. So, medyo iba-iba. And of course, I took the feedback of the people online of, try to change something with the look, with the hair, and all that. And syempre, we need to understand na kumuha tayo ng idea. So, aside from that, yun. And then, sometimes naman people was saying na, bakit you talk about authenticity, pero bakit nagwiwig? Wala naman atang kinalaman. Para lang siyang makeup.
Correct.
Pag wala kang makeup, ikaw pa rin yun. Pag nag-makeup ka, ikaw pa rin
naman
yun.
yun. Pero may
Pag-
makeup ka lang.
Makeup lang. So, parang ganun din siya. I mean, para siyang art, expression, the way you show yourself, and especially sa mga, of course, black culture, black community, normal lang naman to have wigs kasi part na rin ng
Correct.
culture namin. Expression din talaga. So parang, okay lang, you go, you do whatever you feel like, and whatever makes you feel beautiful, so go.
Curious ako dun kasi sabi mo, nagbabasa ka online. Si Alexi ay nag-online.
Nag-online po ako.
So, walang basis yung bashing sa'yo na, bashing? Walang basis yung mga sabi sa'yo na hindi ka nag-i-interact sa mga fans? Or totoo talaga na hindi ka nag-i-interact sa mga fans? Online online?
I do interact naman, but I do, siguro if you say na sobrang engaging yung everyday na let's say nagla-live or everyday nag-talk to fans online, hindi masyado. Kasi siguro part of it, history-wise, I was an athlete nga. Di ba?
Gets.
Chika doon, pag-athlete ka kasi, especially high school until college, may mga times na kinukuha yung phone mo to focus on training. So feel ko na sanay ako na parang pag gantong oras na wala ng phone. So I lived my life na hindi lang siya nagre-revolve around social media and around phone. And of course, when I joined pageant, I needed to relearn the fact na iba to. Like parang you need the people, you need the engagement, you need the audience to know what you're doing. So I'm learning naman. Like I'm trying to slowly
Embrace
the the social life. And of course, you don't need to put everything out there, but you
Right.
share some.
Pero, pag ganun ba, if you're trying to learn na magiging social sa social media, is it like curated personality of yourself or
Not really kasi if I feel like post mo, kasi mahirap pag you make something that hindi mo talaga
correct.
let's say anong tawag doon, ugali or like
Correct,
not
oo.
what you are, kasi paano mo siya ma-maintain? So parang
Or
ganon.
baka boring yung life mo, so wala ka may
Boring
post.
yung life. Ako naman marami akong ginagawa. Drag
correct.
queen po ako sa gabi. Charot. Pero yun nga, I feel like na misunderstood ako ng marami. Though I don't blame them kasi I get it. Yung look ko kasi medyo strong talaga siya. Especially with the hair and then the skin. Though lagi lang kaming nami-misunderstood. Pero I'm someone who's makulit. Alam mo yun, makulit ako. And I'm very jolly. And at the same time, caring and gentle din ako. Depende lang sa kung saan.
Paano nga yung caring and gentle?
Ganun lang.
Yung makulit?
Baka sabi sa Alexia, ang kulit-kulit, ganun. Ha, okay na yun. Me and Zaya, nagbabardagulan kami dito every day.
Correct, oo. Parang kasi, ano yung importance ng social media presence? Although alam naman natin na malaki yung fandom mo. Pero how important is it to engage with them online? Kasi yun yung medyo comment nila sa'yo. And hindi rin naman siya madaling i-learn if it's not you as a
Oo,
hindi yun yung
I
core mo. Pero with the business that we are in,
Kasi dati when I was a bit younger, it's true naman. I believe in the, saying or philosophy na what people don't know about you, they can't ruin. So, because dati nga, I was heavily bashed when I was bashed. Yung letter V na siya ngayon, pinalitan ko. Anyways, I was heavily bashed when I was joining the MUP. So medyo na-shock ako kasi when I joined pageant, hindi ko naman talaga in-expect the amount of supporters that I had. So nung nag-join ako and sobrang daming bashing about my skin, about my look, kahit ano. So parang medyo nawalan na akong nanggana to do social media kasi parang every time mag-open na lang ako ng cellphone ko may another parang may mali na naman sa akin.
Tsaka pareho.
Oo, so parang ito na naman. So like, every time may post ako, kahit na masaya or kahit na had nothing to do with pageantry, may nagbabash. So feel ko para pag hindi ako mag-post, parang mas tahimik buhay ko.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have anxiety. I wouldn't overthink so much about anything. So parang yun. Pero yun nga, I needed to also unlearn that. Kasi yes, true naman, people will always have an opinion. Pero at the same time, some are criticism, some are just disrespect din naman talaga. So yun lang, you just need to siguro segregate the things. And for me, I understood the importance of using social media for pageantry, of course, engagement. And aside from that, letting people
Advocacy
know.
mo.
Yeah, advocacy, letting people know, what you stand for, what is the thing that is happening
Right.
around the country or around the world. Especially when I joined Miss Eco International, it's a big platform when I was doing my reign because I got to travel internationally. I was also the United Nations Goodwill Ambassadress. So it's important that you post your advocacy, you post something about your personal life, you post things that you're passionate about. Kasi yun nga, sometimes di natin alam na marami na pala tayong na-inspire. Kasi nga, sometimes we keep on, like, lagi tayong on the go in life, na wala tayong time to pause. So, only nung mga time na pagod ka, nahihiga ka, and then you talk to someone, you're like, oh, Alexi, you don't know how much you changed my life, or you inspired me. Doon yung mga time, sabi ko, ay, hindi ko na-realize yun. So, yun yung mga time na, oh my God, I need to be more active para I will never know kung sino pa yung mga batang nakikinig na mas nai-inspire pa. So yun. And then of course, Miss Grand, alam naman natin, we need to be socially active. Part talaga siya ng, part siya ng business, the business side. So
Plus,
yun.
meron ka ng clothing brands.
May
It
brand
really
na
helps
ako.
your visibility talaga on
Totoo.
social media.
Oo, and then kawawa lang yung designer ko doon kasi pag may nag-order, tahi ka muna ng ganito. Tapos may tatahi pa siya dito. Kaya na naman, di na siya natutulog. Nung kinausap ko siya
Kasi may
kanina.
pera ka.
Oo, kulang pa. Konti pa lang. Bili na kayo, ha? Bili kayo para maraming may pasabog.
Every time na mag-comment or mag-engage sa Alexis sa social media, dapat 100 yung orders.
Dapat, ha? Okay na, minimum of 20, okay ako.
Sige,
doon.
Kevin.
Minimum of 20. So guys, please, nag-promote. Follow niyo po yung Alta official account ko on TikTok. That's my clothing brand. Thank you.
I love it. Lex, kumusta yung thought process mo kahapon?
Gutom.
Naisip mo ba?
Gutom. Totoo talaga kasi. Imagine.
Pero madaming pagkain, in
Madami
fairness.
imagine, pagdating pa lang, girls, may breakfast. Like, oh my God, may breakfast. Girls, may lunch. May lunch. Girls, may dinner. Hindi ako kumain kasi nga, kita kasi yung katawan. So, ayokong sabing, ano naman, ang laki naman ng tiyan ni Alex. Butod naman si Alexi doon. I mean, nothing naman. But anyways, syempre, ang tagal kong hinintay suotin yung gown. So, dapat ready din yung katawan ko. So, hindi ako kumain. So, after ng show, namotipo ako backstage sa gutom.
Literal.
Oo, di ba na after ng show, hindi naman, after namin sa stage, di ba may interview with the media. And then after nun, magpipicture daw kami with the
Sponsors.
sponsor ng food, Marcelito. Tapos kakatapos ko na ng picture, tinanong ko agad, dati pwede naman kumain? Sabi, oo. Kumain ako agad, bahala sila.
Nakita ba kita doon?
Hindi,
Sa dinner? Hindi.
buti na lang. Kinain ko pa naman lahat doon. Nagutom ako.
Kaya pala napanis yung pasta doon, si Alexis.
Hindi ko naman, yung soup yung inano ko doon. Charot.
Pero na-memorize mo ba yung steps?
Marunong namang sumaya.
Unfortunately, guys,
Unfortunately.
nasa likod siya ni Emma, kaya kitang-kita yung mga pagkakamali niya.
Meron akong mistake sa last part.
Oh.
Siyempre, alam mo yung medyo, ano na ba yung gagawin namin? Tapos sabi nga ng girls, tapos nung after na namin sumayan, sabi nila, Ate Alexi, nagkamali ako. Sabi ko, be, you're not alone. Marami tayo dito. So, okay na yung 75 grades natin. Pass na po tayo doon.
Tsaka swerte na lang yung mga hindi nahagip ng camera.
Oo, kasi sa likod sila.
Pero ikaw harap ka,
Oo.
likod ka talaga ni Emma.
Nagkamali ako dun sa isang,
Ayan.
hi, break time. Ito na po. Okay.
Oh, guys, i-ship na yung love team nila para gawa natin sila ng series.
Parang may mali.
Gawa natin sila ng series, guys.
Anong mali?
Anong series?
Suntukan. Charot. Face to face pala, B. Oh my
Parang
God.
may fascination ka sa violence,
Hindi
eh.
naman. Okay. Love.
Athletic kasi siya, so sisipain.
Guys, bagay ba? May chemistry ba? Check niyo nga yung chemistry nila.
Ano? Physics meron. Physics meron.
Gawan nyo ng fan edits, para may gawin tayong series. Charot.
Nilalove you. Lagot. Hindi ako makakauwi.
Naramdaman mo ba yung, maraming nagsasabi na frontrunner ka? Naramdaman mo ba yun?
Feel ko naman, kasi syempre siguro nga nag-compete ako dang international na nalo ako also with that pageant. So feel ko naman parang automatic sa mind ng people or, other people that's supporting me. Parang they're expecting so much kasi nga when I won. So parang, yun nga, though add siya sa pressure, but at the same time, good din siya kasi parang, like, hindi na siya mahirap to market yourself so much. Of course, we still need to market ourselves kasi as a marketing student, naman na all the time, may iba talaga, may lalabas at malalabas na bago. But so yun lang, it's not that I hope, I'm working on it to be consistently good all the time.
Right. Kasi may mga narinig ko rin kasi narinig ko rin kasi sa mga candidates that you were very helpful sa
Thank
kanila.
you.
Actually, hindi totoo yun. Wala camera
May
lang
lapis po kasi akong dala, natatakot sila.
Oo. They were helpful ka daw masyado. So, hindi sila nakaroon ng feeling of intimidation.
Kasi
So,
feel ko kasi dun direct. I mean, I get it. Siguro galing sa sports and all that. Though kasi lagi, totoo naman, it's parang bardagulan thing. It's like parang yun nga, competition. Pero, mangyayari kasi sometimes on the coronation night, kung kanino talaga destiny yung crown, dun kasi talaga mapupunta. So sabi ko, 1 month lang to. So like,
less.
less than 1 month lang to. So sabi ko, as much as I'm aiming for the crown, I'm also aiming to have more friends, more
Correct.
sisters. Kasi hindi lang din naman to about the competition.
Correct.
It's also about getting to know more people, helping more people. When I started kasi my pageant career, there were so many front runners my time na they were nice to me. So parang sabi ko, walang kailangang ipagmayabang or anything. So sabi ko like parang some of them are looking up to me. Some of them are like kids first time na nag-join ng pageant. Some of them are veterans. So sabi ko at the end of the day, it's not about the best woman wins or whoever dyan. It's about, who's the worthy and the nicest and the most deserving. So,
Tsaka
ayoko-
longevity siya. Alam mo
Oo.
yun, parang it doesn't end sa pageant.
pageant lang. Totoo
Oh,
kasi yung mga friends ko dati na nagdudu ng pageant or sports, they're still my friends right now. So sabi ko like parang, I don't like kasi the feeling of parang may natatakot sa'yo or may
Correct.
na-intimidate or yung ganun. Parang wala, like friends tayo lahat dito. So nagsushoot kami kanina, puro lang kami tawa instead of shoot. Pero pag of course, time to go out the stage, time to be actually present, aura muna. Pero pag mga backstage niya, kalmahan lang muna. Kalma lang.
Hindi palaging
And,
bardagun.
oo. Kasi like, there's always, yun nga sabi, there's always a time and place for everything. So pag walang stage, walang, nasa backstage or walang camera and all, you be genuine to the girl. So for me,
Tsaka
I'm trying to
dumaan
help.
ka din sa pagiging newbie.
Oo. So parang, basta for me kasi parang, I don't, yung kasi sabi ni Lola talaga lagi like no, how easy or how hard it is you get to the top is also how easy it is for you to go down.
Correct.
So it's on how you maintain it, kung paano mo alagaan kung anong meron ka. So for me naman, though of course gets ko naman na I won a pageant, so parang may tingin ng tao sa'yo is like a bit of course different kasi nga nag-compete ka. So parang ayokong tingnan nila kung isipin si Ate Alexi ganto or si Alexi ganto siya. Like ayokong may marinig akong ganon. So kahit sa team naman, sobrang maalaga naman ako sa kanila to the point na nauna pa silang kumakain sa akin.
Ang babastos.
Papabili ako ng kape, Starbucks sila. Tapos ako, stick lang ng coffee ko.
Ay, nako. Walang
okay lang. So,
team
parang-
na yan. Ano mo yan, tanggalin mo na yan.
Oo, kasi when you're genuine
Right.
and when you're honest, it radiates kasi like outside you. So usually, yun nga, yung mga close sa akin laging sinasabing, oh, glowing ka, you're always smiling and all that. Kasi parang, ba't pa tayo magpapastress? Diyos ko, like, and tomorrow is not promised.
Correct.
There's so many things in life that we can accomplish, that we need to accomplish. Ang haba pang buhay, hopefully, for all of us. So parang, yes, you need to be serious at some occasion, pero wag lagi.
Correct. Lex, may mga comments akong nabasa na you are softer now.
Really?
Yeah. Kasi compared to your pageants before. Kasi
You know what, yeah.
athletic ka nun eh.
Hindi na, yes, I think that kasi feel ko when I was doing sports, my body kasi was
Right.
more stiff and more
Right.
bulky kasi for so long, for almost a decade, I'm used of doing specific, workouts, specific movements. So if it requires me lifting or running or like whatever the movement is, doon lang yung body ko nasanay. So pageantry is a bit different. Yun nga, medyo dancey siya, medyo softer siya. So so is life and us humans and as a kid learning how to grow old. So is me learning how to be, softer or
Tsaka
whatever.
feeling ko nag-mature ka na rin eh.
Really?
Kasi you were
Thank
there
you.
when you were in your first pageant or when you were an athlete, you were younger. So,
Of
mas
course.
iba yung perspective
Perspective.
mo. Oo.
Naalala ko talaga when I joined my last national pageant. Siguro given na rin kasi na there may pressure. There's so
Right.
many people that wants you to win so bad. Meron din naman ngayon. Of course, pressure din naman talaga ngayon. The only difference though is, alam mo minsan yun yung difference ng people that's surrounding you, the environment that you're in. Kasi it will impact you so much. It will affect your performance so much. So sabi ko nga sa team ngayon, sabi ko, of course, as much as daming expectations sa atin, as much as daming eyes sa atin, but in the end of the day, I want you all to enjoy. I want you all to be authentic. If you have any concerns, if you have any ideas na pwede nating ma-collaborate into something, you let me know. Kasi parang if you're selfish of one decision and parang hindi makaka-focus yung isa. Let's say, gusto ko gantong eksena sa styling. Ba't pa ako kumuha ng stylist? Parang ganon. So there should always be collaboration with a lot of things. So that's why ang gaan lang ng relationship ko with my team right now to the
Gano'n
point.
na katagal nagsama?
Yung longest ko is Josh. Parang
With MU pa before?
longer than that. Kasi
Ano?
nagmo-model pa lang ako sa Iloilo. Nagsa-sports athlete pa lang ako. It's been my mom. So parang high school pa lang ata. So until now, mom ko pa rin siya. Unfortunately, charot. Mom ko pa rin
Sorry,
siya.
girl.
Sorry, mom. Anyways, but yes, so Josh and I, so long, 8 years, I don't know.
Nice.
I mean, di kami clingy, lansyalan kasi talaga ako. So
Oo nga.
pag hindi kami magkita ng napakatagal, tapos magkikita kami, diba yung iba, hug,
Dead man lang.
ganun lang. Nanalo ako, Miss Iko.
Okay, hi.
Paiyak na siya. Tapos sabi ko, di man lang kami nag-hug. Di nag-hug or beso.
Wala. Parang
Wala.
mas more on acts of service?
Act of service, and dati kasi words of affirmation talaga. Tapos siguro ever since grandma died, parang there were so many things na hindi ko masabi. So yung love language ko is naging act of service na lang and quality time. I'll be there, pero wag mo na ako hawakan. Okay, diyan ka lang. Ano pa rin ako?
Yung best mo na kaganon 1 inch tayo.
1 inch.
Or
Ganun.
familiarity,
Oo.
na, kasi matagal na kayo.
Matagal. And then, yun nga, alam naman nila. Pero, yun nga, though I'm not someone who's vocal with my love for you, pero alam naman nilang sobrang caring ko.
So, pero ikaw as a person, not with your team or whatever, ikaw good. Ito na naman to.
Binisaya na naman ako. Ano yun?
Kasi ikaw as a person, ano ka ba? Nonchalant ka rin talaga? Like, you are not really showy with your affection or your love? As a person.
Good. Depende. I feel like, kasi, I went through so much trauma on my childhood na parang it's hard to show love pala talaga when sobrang dami mong pinagdaanan. I was physically abused, I was emotionally abused, I was psychologically abused to the point na parang ayaw mo na lang magsalita or ayaw mo na lang mag-show ng love. But I'm very grateful na my grandma is there. Lola Basing was there when, alam mo yung foundation ng love sa
Gets.
kanya. My grandma, she's a very selfless woman. Wala siyang, ibigay niya na lahat kahit walang matira. So, yun yung love language ko. And then one thing about me also is, gusto kong talk show na to, I feel like
Isang buong podcast na to.
podcast na to, ako na lang lahat, bahala na sila. One thing about me also is when I love someone, I give it my 100% lagi. So pag may nangyari lang mali or something like that, ang bilis ko ring umalis. Like, kasi feel ko, sobrang dami nga nang nangyari. Aalis ako. Alam naman nila, I'm someone who can love you the hardest but can also easily detach from you. So depende siya. So for me, hindi ako clingy, pero with my grandma, Diyos ko, sa tanda niyang yun, binubuhat ko siya pag umuwi, kinikiss ko siya nonstop, pasok ko yung daliri ko sa ilong niya, kahit ano na lang. Like, I'm so clingy with my grandma, even with my partner. Pero pag friends and all, nandiyan ka, papakainin kita. Order
Mauna ka nang kumain.
Order mo kahit anong gusto
Huwag mo lang akong hawakan,
Huwag lang
ganun.
tayo mag-hug. Bahala ka sa buhay mo.
Gets ko yun. After ng event, nag-expect ka ba dun sa mga accolades na nakuha mo the day after? Like today?
Today, actually,
Did you expect it na nasa leaderboard ka uli?
and somehow,
Walang
hindi.
charot.
Somehow hindi. Na somehow, oo sana. Yung parang ganun. Like,
Sana,
syempre, you
oo.
want it. Kasi syempre, there's so many people behind your performance. So sana, yung hope ko sana, mag-give ko justice yung performance. And of course, part of you is also doubting. Normal yun. As humans, normal na may doubt tayo. And normal na may grit tayo to want to win something. Though, I was very happy with my performance. One thing that I had in my heart and in my mind last night was calmness. Like,
Right.
kalma lang, relax lang.
This is a different calm.
Oo.
Like, compared to
sa dati.
before.
Oo, kalmado lang. Like, relax lang. Just enjoy, relax, and just show them what you've got. Parang ganun lang. Like, you can always be, kasi yun nga, di ba, I played track and field. So, sa track and field, 5, 7 kasi yung event ko kasi I play heptathlon. So, let's say, 100-meter dash, yun yung may gigil. Pero when you do high jump, yun yung dapat kalmado. So, parang pageant is like that to me.
I
Like,
see.
may time na okay lang maggigil, pero may time also to relax. So, last night, parang in my mind, mag-high jump lang ako, mag-high jump. Buti naman di ako tumalon sa stage. Ibon pa naman ako kagabi.
Bigla kang nawala, lumipad na pala siya.
Lumipad.
I see you as, I think lang ha, ito lang yung perception ko sa'yo. You are a very structured person, tama?
Medyo. I don't know.
Or, or are you the go with the flow person? Kasi you are an athlete, so I think you are a very structured person. Or is it a
Structured.
mixture of
Mixed talaga siya. Kasi I'm someone who's heavily with my routine. Like,
gets?
pag sabi kong 7 a.m. magising ako, tapos nagising ako ng 7:05, pikon na ako agad nun.
Shit, ang gising mo nun, te.
Oo.
Paano?
Oo.
Galit ka na buong araw, ganun.
Hindi naman. Pero that's why there's two things kasi. I'm someone who is very, I have a routine. So, for example, I wake up 7 a.m. The first thing I do when I wake up is not to hold my phone, open the news, or read my book, or like do something go sa baba, pray sa altar, and all that. And then after that, the rest, magluto, kumain, ganyan-ganyan, and then use your phone. I'm someone who have a routine. Let's say, aalis, dapat tapos na yung makeup ng 3:00 kasi dapat 4 doon na tayo. So pag na-late ng 5 minutes, malalaman na nila, ayan na, so nagmamadali na yan sila. Tapos on time, yung ganun. So, but then I also understand that iba-iba tayong tao. So if there's some things na nahihirapan yung iba, pag madali sa'yo, ikaw yung mag-adjust.
Is
So
that
I'm like that.
the way you approach life also? Like, you have a structure, but you can still go with the flow?
Yeah. Kasi, I mean, yun nga, like,
Is this part of the go with the, is this journey, pageant journey,
Oo, like,
part of your go with the flow, ano?
you need to know your goal and you need to know what you want. But at the same time, you need to also go with the flow.
Right.
Kasi pag with the flow mo na lang, bahala na. Sometimes, hindi mo alam kung saan ka pupunta. So if you know ano yung gusto mo and you're also going with the flow of life,
Kung saan ka dadalhin?
kung saan ka dadali, at least you know your destination. Yun lang naman.
Yeah. So far ba, speaking of on time, natuwa ka ba na on time tayo kagabi?
Actually, I was very happy kasi sabi ko baka malate. Mabigat pa naman. Ang lamig naman backstage. Hubad na hubad
lamig.
ako. So sabi ko baka hindi pa ako makalabas. May pneumonia na ako.
Oo.
So nung on time sabi, thank you naman. Kasi aside from pneumonia na ako, may himatay na ako sa gutom.
Sa gutom. Kasi hindi ka pa kumakain.
Hindi ako
Hindi ka pa
kumain kasi nga
nakakalipad.
para sa
gutom
outfit
na.
ko.
Tsaka mabigat yung bun mo, te.
Okay
Yung
lang
Cardi
naman
B
siya.
mo.
Mas bibigat yung damit.
So actually ako, proud ako. As in yun talaga yung ikaka-proud ko.
Thank
Na
you,
on
Direk.
time talaga tayo.
I know.
te.
I'm very happy and grateful sa the rest of the team, the production team na aside from on time, sobrang alaga. Anong ibig mong sabihin?
Uy,
Kakabigay nyo lang ng pagkain. May pagkain na naman.
Oy, basta hawag mo kami i-bash, nyo kami i-bash ha, on time kami. Proud
On time.
talaga ako doon.
Totoo talaga. On time talaga. And
Oo.
but every minute, may pagkain.
Pero hindi na sila kumakain.
Kami yung hindi kumakain. So, wag yung sabing walang pagkain. May pagkain na papagod lang kami. Pero ako, siyempre, gusto kong sexy lagi. So, mamaya na, hanggang sa mamumutla na ako. Pero okay lang yun. But I'm very, yun nga, kudos to the organization talaga and the rest of the team. No cheche to ha. Aside from the on time and all, everyone, direct.
Thank
So
you,
nice.
Lex. Thank
Ang bait
you.
ng lahat.
Okay
Ang
ka
bait.
naman, happy ka naman so far.
So far.
Hindi pa na, charot.
Okay na.
Wala ka pa namang kaaway.
Uy, I don't want wala naman. Si Zaya, sabi niya daw 6 p.m. daw kami sa bunutan.
I love it.
Talo siya, wala akong hair.
Oo. Sana sinuod mo yung Cardi B.
Huwag muna. Kasi pag may mga ganun-ganun, dapat short hair lang ako.
Pero so far naman, wala ka pa namang regrets with that.
No regrets at all.
joining in.
No
and with the
regrets at all.
organization so far. And hopefully naman.
Sana. I mean, hopefully,
Sana.
everything's kung how it started, how good it started. Hopefully, that's how good it also na matapos
Yeah.
yung competition.
Because we are also looking at the long term.
Oo.
Kinaman kasi we are not just looking at this pageant.
You know what I noticed is, parang family to. Kasi you can talk to everyone, you can
Right.
ask your concern, you can raise your concerns to everyone, and maalaga. Like, pinapakain nyo yung team ko.
In-stress nila ako kahapon. Alam niyo kung bakit? Gusto nila mag-reveal sa gitna.
Oo.
Ito ang nangunguna.
Hindi naman ako, alam mo bakit? Sabi ng mga girls,
Ng mga girls.
Ate Alexi, ikaw na lang magsabi kay Derek, natatakot kami. Sabi ko, so, wala ako. So, ano, ako kapal ng mukha ko? Sabi ko, sige natin, Alexis. Sabi ko, wait lang. So medyo, before kita tawagin, Direk, ano yun? Pwede bang, instead of doon kami mag-reveal, pwede bang dito po? Kasi ganito, ganyan. Tapos, wait lang.
Although ako, gets ko naman, pero nag-compromise naman kami. And it was a very good
And-
compromise.
yeah, and thank you
it
so
was
much
a
for
very good exposure,
Thank
na
you so
mahaba.
much. Thank you so
oo.
much, Direk. Kasi feel ko, of course, we respect naman yung what you want kasi
Yeah.
show nyo. Pero yun nga, I appreciated so much na parang mas nakinig din also kayo sa
We,
concern namin.
we really do listen.
Pogi naman ng dumaan.
Ayaw sumama ng
Ayaw
Braga
na.
is ano.
Ng Braga is ano?
Ng Braga is.
Ayaw dumaan ng pogi.
Because we also need to take good care of the girls. Syempre, we need to listen. Kasi diba,
Thank you.
parang baby din natin to.
Ay.
First time natin to. So,
Yeah.
learning curve pa rin siya
Oo.
sa atin.
So,
So,
for everyone learning So thank you so much. Like
Ah,
after
naman.
the rest of the girls when we were backstage, they were like so happy kasi nga parang may proper exposure yung everything and
Of
then
course.
naka-aura sila lahat. Kami, sa amin kasi importante lang maka-aura kami.
correct. Ang sa akin din naman kasi, I want to treat everyone fairly. Front
thank
runner
you.
man or hindi. Diba? And thank you for voicing out. Kasi, mas okay yon na nakikinig tayo sa suggestion ng
Thank
mga
you.
girls.
Thank
Diba?
you.
Kasi kung may hindi naman compromise like kahapon, sabi ko, girls, hindi ko talaga kaya i-compromise yung shot. O diba,
Yeah.
nagbunga naman talaga yung
Oo.
dramatic na yun.
Thank
So,
you so much.
gets naman ng mga girls yun na hindi kayang iano. So, nag-compromise tayo.
Thank you,
And it was for the better kasi
Oo.
ang haba.
And ang
I love it.
ganda. Ang ganda.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Direk.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you din for voicing
Thank
out.
you.
Kasi gusto ko din yun na nagbo-voice out
Oo.
kayo.
So next time daw, suntukin ko
Magsabunutan.
tayo lamur.
Eto na naman
Para
tayo.
hindi na ako magsalita. For them.
Eto naman tayo sa sabunutan. May fascination ka talaga sa
No,
sabunutan.
hindi. Sabi ko suntok. Iba na teka. O hindi. Ang bait ko kaya. I'm someone who have the longest pasensya.
Ah, really?
Grabe, ang pasensya ko. Kung pera man siya, ang
Hindi
yaman
ka-
daw
wala
na
kang
sana.
pasensya.
Ang yaman ko na sana.
Eto, last question. Ano yung Ilonggo trait na dinadala mo ngayon sa journey mo? Ang pagiging tikalon ba?
I don't think I am. Nonchalant nga ako. So parang yung tikalon is not so me. Kasi napaka-nonchalant ko talaga. Ilonggo trait, hindi ko naman masabing malambing kasi feel ko hindi ako sobra. I mean, I'm caring, but I'm not super gentle. If depende sa kung paano. Though I'm very light. And whenever you go to Iloilo, diba laging sabi ng tao, ang light na mga Ilonggos, or it feels homey here. So feel ko yun. Yung pag you're friends with me or you're with me, parang napaka-homey ng vibe. Something you feel comfort or parang someone to depend on. And I hope that's what other girls or everyone makita ako to see from me.
Correct. Lex, thank you so much.
Thank you,
Like,
Direk.
enjoy ka ba? sa
Of
mga
course.
chikahan
Direk.
na to?
Oo, ang haba.
Sa'yo na lahat. Sige, airtime muna.
Pwede to hanggang mamaya uwi ako. Huwag ako. Yun talaga. Alam niyo, hindi ako socially ma-post or like ma-comment kung ano man yun. Pero in person, like kaya ko talaga makipag-chikahan hanggang sa na.
Kailangan lang siguro dahan-dahanin mo yung
Dahan-dahan.
sarili mo na.
Mm-mm.
May
So,
nag-handle ang account mo.
Meron naman, pero most of the time ako.
Ikaw.
Oo.
So, kaya pala hindi mo ina-approve yung
Mm.
ano ko.
Yung alin?
Sarah Karen.
Na-approve ko na yun.
Na-approve mo na?
Ano ba, yung pera? Na-approve ko yun, di ba magsasend ka? Di ba magsasend ka?
Hindi mo ina-approve. Ay, hindi kasi ako nag-IG. Sa TikTok na lang.
Oo.
O, pero na-follow na ako
Alam
sa
mo,
TikTok
sa
sa'yo.
TikTok, hindi naman feel ko parang 20% ng araw ko sa sobrang dami nangyari.
Nagdo-doom scroll lang tayo.
Oo,
Ako
tapos
nagdo-doom scroll
yung
ako.
algorithm ko puro tawa ng tawa. So minsan, alas 3 na nung umaga, si Alexi nagsasend na naman ng reels.
Ako hindi ako magsasabi ng algorithm ko kasi bastos.
Ay.
Chalet.
Yung akin naman bait na, mga pusa-pusa lang.
Ako na yung mga dog, yung gano'n. Alam mo yung mga adopted rescue dogs, gano'n.
Really? Tapos umiiyak ka pa niyan.
Oo, umiiyak
Sabi
ka.
ko
Tapos Jollibee core.
Ay.
Yung mga nakakatawang Jollibee core.
Oo, tapos ako naman.
Tsaka yung mga pabukol ng mga lalaki.
Oo.
Ganun yung, bigla siyang lumabas sa akin. Sige na nga, i-scroll ko na. Eto na, hindi ko na isa-scroll para stay na siya doon.
Hindi naman ako maka-connect sa
So, hindi tayo makakabili sa each other.
Hindi tayo magkakagawa ng mga
Algorithm.
mga love things in life.
Yan.
Thank you, Direk.
Lex, thank you so much.
Thank
I'll
you
see
so much.
you
Tonight. Charot. See you
Hindi
tomorrow.
nakakasawaan.
Kailan? Mamaya agad.
Saturday. Wag na. Ayoko magsawa sa'yo. Charot.
Saturday. Tuesday pa lang ngayon. Ano ba, Direk? Kaya ba?
Monday pa ngayon. Ay, ano ba?
Tuesday.
Pa.
Oh.
Sige, nawala na ako ng time.
Check ako ng calendar.
I love it.
Coding ko kasi.
Structured. Lex, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so
And thank you sa cameraman natin na hindi nangala yung kamay kakahawak ng camera. kung gaano kahaba tong podcast na to, ganun yung kahaba yung tayo niya. So, thank you so much. Thank you. Tagal pa ba itong magsalita tong babae to?
Ganun talaga si Alexi, isang tanong,
Oo, 1,000
50
yung
minutes
sagot.
yung ano. Yung
So, pag
sagot.
sa school, pag may essay writing, wag akong
Salita ka lang, recitation ka
Di ba yung
lang.
may sinusulat na parang create parang 300 words? Ay, easy. Gawin ko
Yun din ba
1,000.
yung na-learn mo na pag may question, you don't need to elaborate everything ngayon? Or you need to, parang, ay, okay, kaya ko na siyang i-shorten. Kasi before,
Depende.
di ba, ang haba ng mga sagutan mo.
Depende. Kasi feel ko pag mga sit and talk or casual, dun okay lang to show personality.
Right.
Habaan mo hanggang sa mapagod sila, hanggang sa mag-run out, yung mga ganun. Pero pag Q&A wise, yun, like, tinatry ko na under 1 minute yung sagot.
Yan.
So kahit may mga sakit ng loob pa kung pwedeng idagdag, ano na lang, mamayang backstage. Sarap, wala naman akong sakit
Suntukan
ng
na
loob.
naman.
O hindi naman.
May sinisip na ako ang lamig. Oh, go.
Oo.
Lex, thank you.
Thank you. And thank you to the cameraman and thank you to Direk and thank you to
Thank you, Chi.
Thank you, Chi. Thank you to everyone and to my makeup artist na
Oo.
nagchat-chat na
Kanina
ata. Kung
pala
matagal ka
gigit-
pa ba? Thank you very much.
Mo.
Tapos
Tagal
na.
mo.
Thank you.
Lex,
Thank
thank
you.
you.
Sana nag-enjoy kayo. And bumili kayo ng damit.
Alta.
Pinasok pa rin.
Wait lang, on cam, kailangan akong i-follow ni Lexi.
Wala nga.
Kakaloka ta si
Bebe,
ate.
cellphone ko, please. Magka-QR lang ako. May isasend si Direk na pera. Thank you. Oo, tingnan. Si Lola pa
Bigyan
rin
kita
yung
ng
wallpaper
10,000.
ko.
Oo nga.
Here po. Sila. Paano ba to? Yan. That's me and grandma. Di ba sabi po sa'yo kanina, ginaganon ko yung ilong niya. Kahit dyan maliit.
Wow.
Very Lola girl.
True.
Saan direct i-follow?
Ito naman?
Pasan ka ng Gcash?
Yes, piso.
Pang-gas namin mamaya. TikTok?
TikTok tayo or edging?
Kerry, ano ba funny thing about me? Direct di ako sumasayaw.
Reina Filipinas